Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to add Twitch link to TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to add Twitch link to TikTok? First of all you have to copy your Twitch link. Now paste on this TikTok app. Now I am telling you that how. Click on this. Click on the profiles, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Click on the account you have. Firstly, to switch your account to business, switch to business account. After that, this type of screen will appear here. Click on the start icon. Now you have to start it that and select any of the category which you want. So I'm going to choose beauty. Click on the next and this account. If you want to add your email, it's your choice. I'm going to skip create. Now your account will be created. Now go back to your profile of TikTok. You can search here option of profile. Now you can click on the edit profile. You can see here option of website. You have to paste that link, that Twitch link here. Just start it and click link. That Twitch link will be pasted on your TikTok. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.